Hi friends, myself Amul Narayan Kamble. I am a DCP second year student at College of Pharmacy, Maini, District Satara. Today we will discuss about subject Pharmaceutical Chemistry second. In this subject, chapter number 2, Antiseptic and Disinfectants. First of all, are the learning outcomes. These are first, define and classify antiseptics and disinfectants of drugs. Draw the chemical structure of different antiseptics and disinfectants compounds. Recall the physiochemical properties with their storage conditions. And last, fourth, to understand the uses and official preparations of different pharmaceutical compounds. First, introduction. In introduction, definition of antiseptics. These are the agents that destroy or prevent the microorganism when applied to the living tissue. Those agents are the destroy or prevent the growth of microorganisms when applied to the living tissue. Example, mouthwash, gargles, gels, soaps and preparations. Second, disinfectants. Definition of disinfectants. These are the agents that kills vegetative bacteria and are used to treat inanimate objects or non-living objects materials. Example, phenol, chlorocresol, Dettol, etc. Main difference between antiseptics and disinfectants. First point, in antiseptics, all antiseptics are disinfectants. All antiseptics. But all disinfectants are not antiseptics. Second point in antiseptics, it can be applied on the living tissue. And disinfectants, it cannot be applied living tissue, they applied inanimate objects. Example of antiseptics, skin or mucous membrane. Example of disinfectants, example, surface lab working tables, floor or material in which they are applied. Second, classification of antiseptics and disinfectants. They are classified into 7 categories. First, alcohols and aldehydes. Example, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol and formaldehyde. Second, halogen compounds. Example, chloramine T, chlorhexidine acetate, dibromopropamide, isothiionate. Third, third class of antiseptic and disinfectants, phenols and related compounds. Example, phenol, chlorocresol, chloroxylenol, etc. Fourth class of antiseptic and disinfectants, mercury compounds. Example, thiomersal mercury chloride. Fifth, dyes. Example, proflavin hemisulfate, acryflavin, brilliant green, crystal violet, etc. Sixth class, surface active agents. Example, benzalkonium chloride, cetramide, etc. Seventh, miscellaneous agents. Example, diqualinium sulfate. These are the classification of antiseptic and disinfectants. Again revise. First, alcohols and aldehydes. Example, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Halogen compounds, chloramine T, chlorhexidine acetate, etc. Phenol and related compounds, phenol, chlorocresol, chloroxylenol, cresol, etc. Fourth, mercury compounds. Example, thiomersal mercury chloride. Fifth, dyes. Examples, proflavin hemisulfate, acryflavin, brilliant green, etc. Sixth, surface active agents. Example, benzalkonium chloride, cetramide, cetylpyridinium chloride. Seventh and last, miscellaneous agents. Example, decalinium sulfate, nitrofurazone. First important drug. or proflavin. First important drug of disinfectant antiseptics, proflavin. Proflavin structure. This is a derivative of acridine. It consists in the three position and 6 position the amide group 3 and 6 position. That's why its chemical name 3 6. Di indicates 2 3 6 indicates number of the amide groups in which present 3 and 6, and di indicates 2 group of amide, and this is the acridine. This is the chemical name of proflavin, 3,6 diamine acridine. Properties of proflavin. First, color orange to red. Second, odor odorless. Taste tasteless. Solubility soluble in water, insoluble in chloroform and ether. Uses mainly antiseptics, wound treatment, dressing purpose and local infections. Formulation of proflavin, it's formed in cream. Second drug of antiseptics and disinfectants, that is phenol. Phenol is the 6-membered heterocyclic compound in which OH group is present in first position. Phenol. Properties of phenol. First, color colorless liquid, turn in blue. Second, odor characteristic, aromatic. Tasteless, solubility miscible in glycerin. Uses antiseptics, mouth ulcer and tonsillitis. Wounds treatment, dressing purpose, analgesic in dysentery, boils treatment in ears. Third drug of antiseptic and disinfectants, that is chlorocresol. Chlorocresol is consist of 3 groups: alcohol group, methyl group and chlorine group. Their position 1, 3, 4. 3 group presents methyl group, 4th group presents chloro group, chlorine, and this is a phenol structure. That's why its chemical names is 3-methyl 4-chlorophenol. This is the chemical name of chlorocresol. Properties of chlorocresol: color colorless, odor characteristics, taste tasteless, solubility soluble in water. Uses of chlorocresol: antiseptics, powerful bactericide and fungicide. Third, preservatives of creams. Stability and storage of chlorocresol: it is oxidized by air or oxygen. And hence it is stored in tightly closed containers. This is another drug of antiseptic and disinfectants. There is no needed structure of cetramide. This is properties. Color white or creamy white powder. white or creamy white powder, odor, faint characteristics, taste, tasteless, solubility, soluble in water, insoluble in ether. Uses of citramide: antiseptics and disinfectants, burn wounds, remove scabs, disinfect vessels, and preservative emulsifying agent. Stability and storage of citramide: it is stored in tightly closed containers. Pharmaceutical formulations: citramide forms in cream, ointments, solution, and wax. These are the pharmaceutical preparations. There is a properties of citramide, uses of citramide, and solubility and storage of citramide. Next, hexachlorophene. That is also needed. That is also needed. No needed structure. No needed structure. This is a theoretical part. First, properties of hexachlorophene: color white or pale puff powder, odor odorless or phenolic, taste tasteless, solubility soluble in alkyl hydroxides, insoluble in water. Uses: antibacterial, reduce bacterial flora, reduce bacterial infections, and disinfectants, hand or surgeon. Stability and storage of hexachlorophene: it is affected by light and hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. It is affected by light and hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Formulation of hexachlorophene: it is dusting powder, liquid soap, and cleansing emulsion. Brand names is Stirzac Zalpon. It is a brand name of hexachlorophene. Thank you friends watching my video. If any mistake in this video, please forgive me my dear friends, and if any mistake, please tell me in comment box.